The Sekonic L-308X has been designed to meet the needs of the next generation of image and filmmakers. It blends the best features of the 308S and 308DC with some added functionality. For professionals, carry a second meter for your assistant, or easily fit into your pocket to take on tech scouts. For beginners, you will have a profoundly accurate meter to get proper exposures and start developing lighting recipes for use for years to come. And for passionate film shooters, this is the perfect meter to pair with your vintage film cameras for accurate exposures. The 308X has 3 display modes: photo with ambient, cordless flash and corded flash modes. HD Cine for DSLRs and mirrorless cameras, allowing you to select your shutter speed, frame rate, and illuminance mode. And Cine mode for cinema cameras, allowing you to select your frame rate, shutter angle, and illuminance mode as well. Accuracy is the legacy of the 308 series. The 308X is able to measure light from 0 to 19.9 EV at ISO 100. Your exposures are guaranteed to be spot on with this meter's repeat accuracy within plus or minus 0.1 EV. You can also match your L308X to another meter or your camera's exposure by calibration compensation function with the range of plus or minus 1 EV in 0.1 step increments. A clutter-free interface and ergonomic design make the 308 a breeze to use. The sliding lumisphere reveals a lens with 40-degree reception angle for reflected light measurement. The optional lumidisc enables you to measure the light ratio or the exposure of a flat subject. And, as always, the single AA battery will get you through many shoots. We've included a backlit LCD screen that automatically turns on in dim-lit conditions under EV5. And aperture priority in photo ambient mode. From previous 308 models, we have added ISO 850, a base for some very popular cine cameras. Now you can always have a meter with you for location scouting and second assistance. Doing a 2-person interview? Make sure each of your subjects is equally illuminated. Resurrecting that old film camera for some classic portraits? Make sure your exposures are right on. The 308X is the perfect blend of features to be your first meter and the meter you always have with you.